We started.
Oh.
How do I zoom in?
Just be done.
Oh, I did it.
Ouch, don't zoom in on my ugliness. There was one. An Asian woman named Victoria. She liked white boys and white boys only.
Talk louder.
Her friend Jack, the black man.
You had lots of time to prepare this story. Why isn't it?
He shot her and then pulled her belly button out and stepped on her feet. And then called her mom and had sex with her twice, got her pregnant, and then they had babies, and then on the Maury show because he thought he was like, that is my baby, that is my baby. And she was like, yeah, I'm 100,000.1%. That is your baby. And it turned out it wasn't his baby. The end. Said the end.